What's in here?
It's a lift kit.
Oh, the lift kit.
Hey guys! All right, you start it off.
What we have here, this is a lift kit, leveling kit, Nismo Lift leveling kit.
Yeah.
That we are going to install on this 2023 Pathfinder.
You're doing so good.
2023 Frontier Pro 4X.
It's pretty incredible to see them side by side because it does look like it's a big difference, even though it is a subtle difference. You can really tell. And then we got the really cool shot of the two trucks kissing each other because they were madly in love.
So as we've said, this lift kit gives you an 1.5 inches of lift. It includes a front strut spacer, which you saw there, 1 inch rear axle block, extended U-bolts for the leaf springs.
Yeah.
Nismo branded aluminum bump stop extension, so it doesn't bottom out too far. You don't want too much travel. And all the hardware necessary to put this stuff on. And this stuff's made out of 1/4 inch steel. Top plates are stamped, and 10.9 grade hardware coated with a clear zinc finish.
Nice. Yeah.
And they look good. Those U-bolts look real nice.
Yeah, they do look good. Yeah. And with zinc coating means they'll last a while.
Yeah, they're not going to rust.